Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is yet another AI agents demo built on top of Langchain, Groq, and Airtable. Airtable is the underlying enterprise CRM and data warehouse. It would be highly optimized if you can do maximizing the business ROI through automation. Also, we are building an agent which is scalable infrastructure. Let's go ahead and start with the demo. Before I show you the demo, please, if you find value in my demo, smash that like button, have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one training or consulting, email me. Let's start with demo. All right, so let me bring up the editor and let me quickly walk you through what I'm doing. So I have my config.py, which is where I'm configuring which apps I need to push this agent's data. I've configured a lot of apps as part of this agent demos. Today we are dealing with Airtable, which is one of the most leading ones. So let's go ahead and run the application. It will take 5 seconds. In the meanwhile, you can hit that like button for me. All right, I'm running fast API for all the APIs and endpoints. Everything is written on top of Langchain. So this is essentially an AI agent built on top of Langchain. So let's go ahead and launch the Swagger endpoints. These are coming as part of the fast API. So we want to do some market research or market intelligence about a competitor. Let's go ahead and say Anthropic News, and we'll get a, let's say, CNN link. And let's copy this link, take it to our agent. Now our agent is so intelligent that it will extract the data from the URL. It will send it to the AI model, which is our Groq model that we are using, which is our AI processor or the AI brain that you can call it. I'm running the Llama model 3.370B. Now let's go ahead and hit execute. This is my Airtable. Where is my Airtable? It's right here. All right, so if I scroll down, I don't see anything entry. So let's see if we should get entry number 23. Execute and go back to our Airtable and we'll see an entry which our agent is creating dynamically. This can be extended to CRM, leads, marketing, sales, much more. So this is kind of optimizing for inference latency for production environment. Not yet, we still don't see the data. Let's check what's happening. Ideally, we should be getting the data if everything is done. It has done the analysis and we don't see it. I'm going to refresh once just in case. So yeah, you see that entry number 23, which is what is our link that we gave for CNN, Anthropic sues Trump administration. That's what it says. So this is kind of securing proprietary data right inside an LLM workspace. Very important, especially when you are integrating the enterprise CRM data. So you can build an AI agent basically, which can communicate, extract the data, send it to an AI model for summarization, and then work your Airtable directly. All of this is integrated right into this. Just to show you the client-side code, we are pushing to Airtable the data. But what is the data that we are processing? If you see here, all right, so here it is. We use the processor, which is our AI brain, which is the Groq. It will get the raw text, convert it into SEO JSON, take the result, then push it to Airtable. That's what this is doing. So this agent can work with Notion, Discord, Google Sheets, and much more. I'll cover that in the next demos as we progress. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this. I want to give all of this code away to you for free. Please do like, share, and comment, and I will send this code to you. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.